other places. Tori wants to make the little donut. She's gonna make a little tiger as well. She's gonna try to make that, but the instructions are all on a website. So first, you wanna open the packet. Don't be like Tori and like open it in the wrong end. There's actually a little flap you can see on the top video right there. That there's an actual flap that you can take everything out without having to use scissors and get really like, why is this packaging so awkward? And you take the little thing out. You take the little thing out and you get to open it up and it's like all in one kit. And then you're like, wow, it's a lot of packaging. You don't need that much packaging. Then you realize the packaging's part of it. The packaging's part of the whole little thing. So Tori wants to make these Humdy rings. She actually really misses Humdy rings. She wants to try to make her own. Like, often she makes her own, it's a bit messy. But yeah, just cut all around the edges. And all around. You can throw away the little ends of each one. But you want to keep these two pieces. Because they're really good. Because they're like, that's the tray and the other one's like a measuring tape. So now you want to take everything else off. You get the little mixing, weird looking bowl. You can see that's the molding thing we need. So now you want to follow the instructions. The first area where you want to cut across. You're going to cut across. Get your sticky stick and cut across. And you're going to cut the end one, which is your water. It's for your water bowl. Now you want to take out all the packaging because it is really confusing. If you don't understand Japanese, ooh, sprinkles. If you don't understand Japanese, it's actually, you don't know what's going on. That's the white icing. That's the strawberry icing. That's the, like, cookie crumbs. First, I'll call them cookie crumbs. They're like basically biscuit crumbs. And the other two are the flowers. So that's everything you get in this kit. You get quite a bit. You get the spoon, you get the, like, icing bag. Look at all that. Okay, the first thing you need to do is measure some water and use your plain flour. Well, it's not really flour. It's like magic mix. It's like magic mix. So you want to open that and you want to pour it all in into the big compartment, which is going to be like your main mixing cup. So here, it says 3. So you need three like, whatever the hell that is. Whatever the hell that little, like, spoon things. You need 3 of them. Right? So, you get those 3. You want to try to measure it with, like, nice water. Like, just, like, you know, just use some normal water. It's really hard to get it up level, so you might need to use a bit more than 3. When Tori made this, Tori recommends, like, 4 of them. Like, a good 4 amount of that. Because it does not feel very well, okay? It doesn't feel very well. And now you want to use your spoon and do the little mix. It takes a while to mix. Make sure you get all the powder in there, okay? All the powder. All of it. Yeah? Okay. So, Tori is like speed running this section because it takes a while. Like, Tori was like, it's gonna be instantly done. No, it takes quite a while. And you kind of go, okay, it looks so dry. Gotta add a bit more water. So just add a bit at a time. Don't go overboard. You don't want to go overboard, okay? You don't want to go overboard. So now, once you get like something that looks a bit like you can hold it, you're gonna put it on your hand. You're gonna start kneading it. Make sure you wash your hands first, okay? Make sure you wash your hands. So you wanna like roll it up. It kind of looks weird. Like, it will never look like the photo. That's what Tori's learned. But you can definitely get it similar. So you want to get your, like, shaping, like, placemat. Get a little shaping placemat. And you want to knead it. And you want to try to get the 2 big balls and the tiny ball in the other side. So the 2 big ball section is, like, for, like, it's for the main donut, and the other one is for, like, the little snout area you want to use. So you want to roll your little balls. Make sure they kind of more or less fit. Okay, next. The fun part the mold. Like, squeeze it into the mold. Okay? Yeah, squeeze it right in. Tori's gonna cut the ends off first because it's easier to, like, squeeze in. But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So you wanna squeeze. You wanna pop. And it is a bit fiddly. Like, it is a bit of a fiddly thing to do. Like, Tori's clothes got really dirty. Like, they were full of whatever this stuff is. It was full, right? It was full of whatever this stuff is. So, once you get there, you wanna do the other one. Make sure you, like, you know, you gotta try to, like, finish the edges out. You don't wanna, like, have any gaps. Tori's not patient with this, okay? One thing you need to know, Tori is not patient. You can use a spoon to, like, kind of, like, squeeze the rest of it in. Plus, this is Tori's kinda slowly going off screen because she needs to see. Okay? She needs to see. Her eyes aren't that good. So now you got there. Now you got your little shapes. You wanna use the spoon to, like, scoop it out somehow. You know? You gotta just try to, like, gently scoop it out. It's a bit of an effort. You can't just, like, gravity it most of the time. It's a bit of an effort, really. Like, oh, there we go. Okay, it looks a bit scuffed, but, like, it's fine. We'll figure it out. You put it onto your tray for now. Your little, like, presentation tray. We'll figure it out later, okay? We're gonna figure that out later. Okay, you wanna get the pomme de ring one? Tori thinks that the pomme de ring one's a pain to get out without, like, ruining the shape. So you gotta be a bit more careful with it than the donut one. Okay, let's squeeze it out. Yeah! Okay, that looks a lot nicer than the original donut one. So you put that down, and yeah, you did the first set. Okay, you'll leave the other one, and now you want to use the cocoa one, the chocolate one. And you gotta know, okay, this, you can't smell it, but it really smells of, like, what it's meant to be, okay? It really does just smell of chocolate. Tori doesn't know why. She's a bit scared of the fact it smells like chocolate. Okay? She's a bit frightened that it smells like chocolate. And Tori doesn't like it. But who knows? Who understands, like, these, like, little Popin Cookin set kit things? Because Tori has no idea what it's made out of. Apparently it's edible. Tori has not eaten hers because it is terrifying. Now you want to knead it. You basically do the same thing as before. You're gonna knead it and make the little bits. Tori didn't realize that, you know, these aren't meant to be for the ears. Like, the side is to actually split into half later. So you gotta make your two big bowls and your two mini bowls. Okay, so Tori did not think about that. So if you want to make your donut, okay, you're gonna smash it in. Like, kids are meant to understand what to do this, okay? Tori is like a grown tiger, okay? She had a bit of trouble trying to figure out what's going on with this, okay? She did not know what was going on with that. But, so she knocked it all out. It's a bit fiddly. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now we gotta do the next part. We're gonna do the little bear nose thing. So okay, so Tori now has 2 extra ears for some reason. Because she didn't think that through. So she's gonna have to think about what to do next. So instead, Tori made him into tiger ears. And then each snout will have their own, like, brown. So now we got our bases. We leave that to the side. Don't worry. Tori wouldn't recommend eating it. You know, you just gonna have to, like, look at it. So next we're gonna make our sauces. So we get the, like, white icing, the strawberry icing, and the chocolate sauce. So this is that's the chocolate packet. That's the, wait, what is that? That is, yeah, that's the cookie bit. Why is Tori bring that out? So, strawberry one into a small compartment. Okay, the strawberry really smells like fake strawberry. You know, if you ever had like strawberry pocky, it smells like that. It smells like the most artificial strawberry you'll ever taste in your life. So with these, you only need one like cupful, and then you just mix it, and it becomes like gooey. It becomes mad gooey, but it's a bit fiddly. Like Tori thinks that you need like another spoon or something. So you add a bit of water. Just add 1 scoop as well, and you mix it, and you make the chocolate like icing. And look at it. It somehow has turned into chocolate, and Tori doesn't know how, and she's kind of scared. So you want to put it into your piping bag. Try to do it slowly, like fold the piping bag like Tori, so it's not a pain to like squeeze to the bottom later. You got that. There we go. You squeeze that. There we go. You got a nice little piping bag of chocolate. Like Tori's looking at all of this, like there's a lot in here, right? There's quite a lot. There's quite a lot of like extra stuff. Like you can make whatever donut you want. You want to cut the edge of your like a piping bag. You also want to clean your spoon so you don't get like chocolate in your like icing, because that'll just make it look dirty. So now you want to get your strawberry, and you want to start doing the little blushies. No, the little blushies like Tori has. The little blushies. Right? And then you want to cover your like pondy rings, or like you can do whatever you want. Oh no. Okay, ignore the bear one, okay? Because Tori is not very good at this, as you can tell. Not very good at the decorating part of it all. So now the chocolate sauce. This is Tori's favorite part because it's so fun. It's so fun to pipe. Look at it. Yeah, she managed to do it. She wants to make them white because most tiger streaks are white. And you're gonna start making the little designs on the little stripes, or tiger stripes. The tiger stripes, yeah, tiger stripes. Now you got all your little decorations. Tori's not sure what to do. She made a bear and a tiger. And now you get your sprinkles. You can sprinkle it everywhere. And you get your cookie bits. Tori's gonna put it on her like weird hybrid one. But Tori wants to make it like a nice presentable because she kind of dipped everything. The ears aren't actually like stuck together. Tori doesn't know how to make the ears stick together. But that's how it works. So you want to clean and you want to cut around. Tori wants to make it presentable. Put the ears back on. Do the ears first. Look how cute they are. Look how cute they are. You go into your final touches. Put a bit of sprinkles. Tori kept the sprinkles and everything left over to make truffles. But here you go. Like, look at it. Look at it. Look how cute it is. Yeah. It is really cute. It's quite fun as well. It took like Tori like 45 minutes to like do everything. And it's a really nice ears. Oh! But it's really fun to do all of this. Like, it's super simple. There's not much cleaning to do afterwards. Her pores are a bit dirty, but she had lots of bit fun. Like, it's a really cute